Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC settings. And in this video, I will show you how to make other user and administrator in your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on your startup menu. Go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on accounts. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on other users. Select the users that you want to make as an administrator. Account type option. Go ahead and click on change account type. Account type right here is standard user. Go ahead and switch from standard to administrator. Once you're done, go ahead and click on OK. Once you make this particular user an administrator into your PC, it simply means that they will have access to all files and they'll be able to do whatever they want to do in your PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.